Well, I hope you've been having a fantastic Labor Day weekend. Hi there, I'm Chief Meteorologist Chris Vickers. We look at clear skies to start our Labor Day morning right around the upper 60s and lower 70s. And it's going to be another day that is going to have abundant sunshine. We'll go climbing through the mid 80s right around lunchtime. If you have those picnic or barbecue plans or you're planning on heading out toward the Fulton County Fair, it is going to be a hot one. Highs are going to sneak up into the lower 90s. And let's put that into perspective as far as Labor Day heat. Our forecast is calling for 92 degrees. It is going to be just shy of record warmth, but it'll be very close. 92 degrees with the heat and humidity. It's going to feel like it. Now, on Labor Day in recorded history, we've seen 94 degrees, and that's 3 times most recently back in 1973. Let's talk the hour-by-hour forecast. It's going to stay warm and humid tonight. Lows dip back into the upper 60s and low 70s. And as we start our Labor Day off, we're going to reach very quickly back into the lower 90s. It is going to be just shy of record warmth. And if you check that out, we'll have abundant amounts of sunshine expected through the afternoon. It's a Tuesday morning, still going to be a warm, humid start to the day, close to 70 degrees. And I expect Tuesday we're going to be easily up into the lower 90s. Then we'll welcome back the chance of some scattered showers and storms. And we're going to see that in our hour-by-hour forecast. Dry weather for Monday, likely to stay dry as we go into Tuesday as well. So the stretch of dry weather has been persisting. But here we go into Wednesday. First chance of some scattered showers or a few rumbles of thunder. I expect they're going to be hit or miss chances of some showers and storms. Nothing that's going to be widespread or soaking, but it will usher in what we expect to be some cooler weather by the time we reach the end of the upcoming work week. Your Labor Day forecast, 92 degrees. It could be a more humid feeling day, sunny, hot weather. And if you've got the picnics or barbecues planned or some of the Labor Day parades, I do expect you to need that sunscreen and the ability to stay cool. Southwest winds will pick up 10 to 20 miles per hour. That keeps things fairly calm, though, out there toward Lake Erie. Will be closer to the upper 80s if you're around the Lake Erie shores. Sunshine, warm weather, waves 1 to 2 feet in those southwest winds, 10 to 15 knots on Lake Erie. Our extended 10-day forecast as we look through Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we're looking at lower 90s that will be expected. Chance of scattered showers and storms comes in on Wednesday and into Thursday, and eventually that's going to break the pattern down, ushering in some cooler conditions. Mid 80s on Thursday, lower 80s, and turning less humid as we get into Friday. And then by the time we get toward next weekend, we've got that early outlook, upper 70s to near 80 degrees expected for Saturday and Sunday. And the majority then of that 10-day forecast beyond the next few days will turn considerably cooler, a little bit closer to average for early September, with highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s to round out our 10-day forecast.